what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some more Beatles, Norwegian Wood. Okay, so let's start with putting a capo on too, please. And we're doing this in a D shape chord. Okay, so we got D, and we got a G major, out of tune. We got an E minor, and we got an A major. All right, but the hardest part in this song is playing that melody, and that's all over the D, and then a little bit of C. So basically what we want is we want to play that while we're doing the chord. So I'm doing it like this. First and second finger playing a D chord. So we got the melody there to start with, and then I'm grabbing this note with the pinky. So 4, 2, open, and I'm holding this finger still here. I see. Oh yeah, you want to end up on 4D. So that's 4D, 2G, and 3B. And then 2G4. So that's D string. 2G4, back to D. Go over that a couple of times. 2, 3. Okay, and then we want to grab, still holding that note, 3 on the A string, and then you play G string, and then 2 on the A string, back to D. Okay, from the top. For the next part, we want to go from D major to D minor. To G major. And I forgot to say that the song is in 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. D minor, come on. 1, 2, it is. Norwegian Wood. Yeah, this song is not easy. It's pretty hard actually to play that. But anyway, hope this helped. Have fun with the song, and I'll see you tomorrow with more fantastic hits. Thank you.